Hi guys, it's Cheryl here today. I just want to give a shout out to a few of my YouTube subscribers. The first one is Maria Toth, My Collecting Habit 57. She shows you all kinds of things she collects, mostly dolls. You'll enjoy her laugh, so don't forget to check her out. Next I have Deborah Cabasa, Home Living. She does a lot of decorating and designing, and she does some crafting, so be sure to go check out Deborah. She's such a nice lady. And then coming up next is Janita BF, Well Wishes Grocery. She shows you a lot of things that she gets from the grocery store, and she is very funny, and she does some wonderful crafts too if you want to check out her links for her crafts, and she does a little bit of gardening. Go check out Janita. And next I have Alpha Traveler 1. He has a fun channel with traveling, mostly Disney. If you're a Disney fan, be sure to check him out. But he's a awesome recorder, content creator. Next we have the Thrift Queen Vlogs. Oh, she loves to shop, and she shows you everything and tells you whether it's worth it or not. And she does some beautiful decorating in her home. Even, she shows you how to do like your bedroom. And next I have Eson's Family Garden. They have a 2-acre homestead in Virginia, so he's not far from where I am. So he has a lot of gardening and cooking on his channel. Check him out. And then, of course, this is me. This is what I had as the date I checked. I don't remember what date that was, but y'all got to boost me up. But I'd rather have the views than the subscribers. So I think most of the people that subscribe just are people that saw something they liked and came back. Now, this is a channel. I love her. This is Kathy from No Guts, No Glory. And right now she's not doing well, but we hope she is going to be back fine and everything. So go check out Kathy. And then next, but last but not least, we have Catherine's Garden and Home, LWS. She's in Zone 6, so she's further north. So she probably still has some pretty flowers blooming at this time of the year. She loves to garden, and she does show you a little bit of cooking. Okay, guys, these are the shout outs for today. Don't forget to check out the next ones on the next video.